Yo, par, nandiyan ka pala. Alam ko, nag-scroll-scroll ka ngayon, napadaan tong video ko sa FYP mo. At alam ko, malungkot ka ngayon. Meron lang akong gentle reminder lang sa'yo. Ha? Just because things feel messy right now, doesn't mean you failed. Tandaan mo, normal lang malito, mapagod, at mawalan ng direction minsan. And it's a part of process. It's a part of process. Life isn't always a straight line. Sometimes it loops, detours, and pauses. Pero kahit hindi mo pa nakikita yung ending, it doesn't mean you're not going to somewhere. Okay? You're not lost. You're just in a season na kailangan mo munang pagdaanan yung mga bagay-bagay. And even if it doesn't look like, laban lang kahit mahirap. Yun lang, par. Ingat palagi. Peace out.